Hello, and welcome back to Khaos Cleaning Solutions. This is Leanne Roos, your host. Let's get right into it. This video is called Dust Gorillas for a reason. When I first met my client, she said, please get all the dust gorillas and the dead bodies, and I'll be happy. And I thought this was the funniest thing. What she means by dust gorillas is the dust that's accumulated over time, and then the dead bodies are dead bugs. And I show you what it looked like before I got there, and then I show you what it looked like after. I think this shower head is the coolest thing. It actually sort of made the job harder, but it was cool to look at. Okay, so these people that live in this house, they travel a lot, and they only visit their house very rarely. They basically stay at their house as a vacation, and they live everywhere else. That's how they put it. So there's a lot of dust bunnies throughout this house. I tried to pick up it on camera, but it was really difficult because of that's just one of those things that doesn't like to be picked up on camera. But I did the best I could, so I hope you guys enjoyed that. Every bathroom that I end up doing, I really notice that I do a full disinfection and a full sanitation in every bathroom. Every bathroom I do is done the same because it's so important that you get it clean. And I don't just mean clean, I mean tidy. And we're moving right on to the after. As you can see, here's the same bathroom I was just working on a few seconds ago. If you notice that the same characteristics in the bathroom, then you can match the bathrooms with each other. So like this one is the only bathroom that has a shelf like that. So it's pretty exciting, you guys. See, and this is the next bathroom. This is a different bathroom completely. It started with a shower, and then it moves on into the rest of it. This is the guest bathroom. The bathroom before this one was also a guest bathroom. And then I show you that the smallest one is actually the master bathroom. We're nearing the end of the video. If you've made it this far, thank you very much for watching. I appreciate you. Thank you for the support. And I hope you have an amazing day because you deserve it.